Hello children, we will study about Mahua today. We are studying the forest based industries and Mahua is one of them which is based on forest. In the forest of Madhya Pradesh, Mahua is found in abundance. The tribal ladies and children stroll the forest early in the morning singing songs. They collect Mahua and sell it in the market after drying. The flower and the fruits of Mahua, called gulli, are useful. Flowers are dried up and oil is extracted from gulli. The interesting thing is that the residue of Mahua is also useful in making other products. If oil mills are established in the Mahua rich areas, the tribal could bring gulli from the surrounding areas. Then enough oil can be extracted and residue can also be used as raw material and will not be wasted. Aola. In the forest of Madhya Pradesh, aola trees are found in abundance. We all know that aola is an important source of vitamin C. Its products can be prepared in the small scale and cottage industries. Aola is used as mouth freshener in the form of dried aola, powdered aola, digestive pills made with salt and spices, or as pickle, and hence business based on aola products might help in the increasing the employment in tribal areas. Harra. Harra is used in making medicines and cleaning leather. The collection of harra is done by the state government with the help of cooperative societies. Some part of crop should be left with the collectors so that they can earn money by selling them directly to use consumers and can use them in their cottage or small scale industries. Bahira. Bahira is also an important forest produce of Madhya Pradesh. Large-scale companies earn huge profit by selling Trifla churn. It is made by Harra, Bahira and Aola. Trifla can be prepared at local level also if proper training is provided. Rita and Shikakai. In the forest of our state, Rita and Shikakai plants are also grown, which are used for making shampoo powder and soap, etc. Lak. Lak is mainly obtained from the trees of Palash, Kusum, Ber, Arhar, etc. It is used in making toys, bangles, sealing wax, etc. The government Lak factory is situated in Umaria district. It is collected mainly from the forest of Mandla, Jabalpur, Sivni, Hoshangabad, etc. Therefore, establishment of small-scale industries in these areas is essential so that the local residents can have good employment opportunity. Bhilma or Bhilava. Bhilma or Bhilava is a wild fruit which after ripening becomes a little sweet and edible. Its seed is used in making ink and paint. Its factories are situated in Chhindwara district. Its seed, when kept in dry fruits such as chironji, etc., protect them from insects and pest. More cottage industry based on Bhilma should be established in the Vanvasi areas. Grass. Different type of grass also grows in forest of our state. Annual contracts of Raksha grass and Khabai grass are given to contractors. Raksha grass is used in making gastrus oil, while Khabai grass is used in soap making. But only contractors and the government benefited are by annual contracts. If small-scale industries are established, then the Vanvasis might also get the benefits. Now, next honey. So students, we will study about the honey in the next video. Here you are looking, there is so many things which are benefited for the for us and also for the those people who are living in near to villages. There is so many things like Aula, Harra, Bahira, Rita and Sikakai, Lak, Bhilma and Bhilawa, grass. So आपने देखा कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो कि मेडिसिनल तो हैं ही, तो इसके साथ साथ बहुत सारी खाने पीने के लिए भी यूज़ की जाती हैं और बहुत सारी, तो यदि इनके लिए छोटे छोटे से उद्योग लगा दिए जाएं तो जो विलेजेस में रहने वाले लोग हैं वो, और उसके साथ साथ जो आदिवासीज हैं, जो वनवासी हैं, उनके लिए, ये जो वहाँ पर जंगल में रहते हैं, जंगल के आसपास के एरियाज़ में रहते हैं, उनके लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद हो सकते हैं। इन उद्योगों के थ्रू वो ये सारी चीज़ों को मैन्युफैक्चर करके बनी रॉ मटेरियल से और दूसरी चीज़ें बना करके मार्केट में लॉन्च कर सकते हैं और उससे प्रॉफिट अर्न कर सकते हैं।